In previous class, we learned recruitment methods. What are the sources of recruitment and the internal sources and then external sources. Okay. Now, in this session, we are going to take employee selection process. What are the learning objectives are? First one is meaning and definition of selection. And another one concept objective is standard steps for selection process and factors influencing the selection process. Importance of selection, difference between selection and recruitment, meaning and definition of placement, significance of placement, and then principles of placement. Okay, so now we are going to definition of selection. Dale Yoder, selection is the process in which the candidates for employment are divided into two classes. What is meaning that? Selection is the process in which the candidates for employment are divided into two classes. So, those who are to be offered employment and those who are not. Okay. So, it is nothing but to find out the suitable candidates for specific jobs. This process is very complicated because it may differ from organization to organization. So, the organization have to follow the steps. What are the steps in employee selection process? It's a application blank and then scrutinizing the application and then selection test. Okay. So we conclude my point is selection is the process of choosing the most suitable person for the vacant position in the organization. Now we are going to follow the steps in employee selection process. First one is application blank. Application blank is most of the public sectors are supply pre-printed application forms or direct the candidates to download the form and upload their websites. So, this application form includes all details about the candidates, family background, educational qualification, co-curricular activities, work experience, and then scale of pay. Next one, scrutinizing the application. What is meant by scrutinizing the application? Where the applications received, all the candidates are inviting is very difficult. So, the selection committee is to be selected the candidates like age, work experience and then qualification, marks, proficiency to shortlist the number of applicants for the interview. And another topic is selection test. It is classified into two steps. The first one is ability test. Ability test is considered attitude, achievement, intelligence and judgment. Okay. So, this ability test is according to this test is used to find the suitability of a candidate for a given job role. And then variety of skills, mental attitude, problem solving, knowledge of particular field, reasoning ability and then intelligence. Okay. So now we are going to attitude test. This test can be classified into different types. So this test is to be measured suitability of the candidates for the post. First test is numerical reasoning. This test measures the candidate's ability to make correct decisions from numerical data. It provides the information about candidates' numerical attitude. And another test is verbal reasoning test. It measures the candidate's ability to comprehend the written test and ability to arrive the conclusion from the written test. In next one, inductive reasoning test. In this test is psychometric test and we measures the problem solving abilities and the ability to apply logical reasoning. Mechanical reasoning test. This test measures the engineering student's ability to apply engineering concepts in actual practice. Okay. According to this test is diagrammatic reasoning test. It measures the candidate's ability to understand the shapes, abstract ideas and the ability to observe and extract values from illustrations and supply them to new samples. Spatial reasoning test. Like this test measures the candidate's ability to clearly manipulate and remember the shapes. Still, images and find out pattern which govern the sequence. Situational judgment test. This test measures the candidate's ability to choose the most desirable action in critical situations using his judging ability. Mental arithmetic test. This test candidates basic numerical ability like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and fraction and decimals and anything. This test speed of doing calculation. This test measures the speed of doing methodological calculation. Okay. And then another one topic is vocabulary test. This test measures candidates' ability to recognize the relationship among the ideas, think methodically and fluency in English language Number sequence test. This measures the candidates apply to find a logic in a series or pattern. Under this test, candidates have to find out missing number in a sequence to determine the pattern. Achievement test. This test measures capacity to achieve in a particular field. So it is also called proficiency test. This test measures a candidate's level of skill in certain areas and knowledge in a particular subject. The regular examination conducted in educational institution representative achievement test. So this test is conducted before, during or after your learning experience. Conducted before, during or after your learning experience. In short, it is a test conducted to find out the candidates the subject. For example, a driver may be asked to drive a vehicle to test his driving efficiency. And another one example is teacher candidate may be asked to give a demonstration. Intelligence test. Intelligence tests are one of the psychological tests that is designed to measure a variety of mental ability, individual capacity and then innovation and then creativity of a candidate. The main aim of these tests is to obtain an idea of the person's intellectual potential. Another one test is judgment test. This test measures to test the presence of mind. This test measures the presence of mind of the candidate. Personality test. It refers to the test conducted to find out the non-intellectual traits of a candidate, namely emotional response, capability and stability. There is no right or wrong answer in the test. It comprises of the following tests. What is test should be conducted? Interest test. It measures a candidate's extent of interest in a particular area chosen by him. And then personality inventory test. Under this method, standard questionnaire is administered to the candidate to find out like interpersonal and then dominance, next one confidence and lower sign quality, etc. So, this test measures reliability and innate characters of candidates concerned. Projective test or thematic test or thematic app or a reaction test. This test measures the candidate's values, attitude, apprehensive personality, etc. out of the interpretation or narration given by the candidate to the pictures, figures, etc. Okay. Next one is attitude test. It measures candidates' tendencies towards the people. For example, moral study, value study, social responsibility of the person, study expresses attitude test and like to measure the attitude of the candidate. Okay. So, thank you students.